that's the end. It doesn't last very long, but you can see it every year. So we saw it now at 11. If you come at 12, 1 or 2. Okay. And that was the astronomical clock from really created in 15th, 16th century original mechanism. So now we wait when all the people will go somewhere away, and we give our people like 15 minutes to look around. There is the Starbucks, the video, the shops, take a picture, and then yeah. At 12:15,